Welcome to our channel. Transferring funds from your Robinhood investment account to your bank account requires understanding settlement periods and following the proper steps. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app on your smartphone and log into your account. Step 2. Ensure the funds you want to withdraw have fully settled. Stock sales typically settle in 2 business days, T+2, while options settle in 1 business day. Step 3. Tap on the account icon or your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Step 4. Select Transfers from the menu options. Step 5. Tap Transfer to your bank to initiate a withdrawal. Step 6. Select the bank account where you want the funds transferred. This must be a linked and verified bank account. Step 7. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure this amount doesn't exceed your available withdrawable balance. Step 8. Review the transfer details including the amount, destination bank, and estimated arrival date. Step 9. Confirm the transfer. Standard transfers take 4 to 5 business days to reach your bank account. Step 10. For faster access, Robinhood Gold members can use instant transfers with a 1.5% fee, receiving funds within 1 to 2 business days. Track your transfer status in the Transfers section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.